I was gifted this by the brand for an honest review, so let's unbox this. I was really excited because I was actually looking for a back scrubber, and I came across this one. So it looks like they have two things in here. They have the shower itself, and then they also have a little thing that you can hang it on. How nice. Wow, I didn't expect that. Okay, so if I take it out, it looks like it's packaged well. So it comes in that one, and also, if you can see, it has two protectors on here. So you just slide those off. Let's see. Oh, it looks like, okay. Looks like there's tape on here, which is nice. I was excited about this because, there we go. When I saw this, look at this, it's called Bubbob. That's so cute. I was excited because lots of the shower brushes I saw online, like they didn't have these things right here, which makes it easy to hold when you're in the shower, and things can get slippery when you're in the shower, and just the fact that it had these, like, that was a game changer for me. So this feels like a very sturdy shower, like a shower brush, and I like that. I also love that it has this little handle on the end so that when I'm done with it, I can just hang it up. And I read on the thing that this is actually water, like it's built so that bacteria and stuff doesn't like sit on there, which is really great. I love that. So one side has some bristles, some brushes, and then this is like a little bit more coarse. And you can actually use this like in wet or dry. So if you use it in dry, this will help, like you can brush it on areas of your lymphatic system and it will help like drain it, which is really nice. And it's got a nice long handle so that you can reach the hard to reach areas in the back. Yeah, there's some areas that when I'm in the shower, like I can't reach with my loofah. And so if I just put this over my back, I will definitely be able to get those areas. So I really like this. I'm excited to use this in the shower. It looks like it's built really well. I'm impressed with how like sturdy this is. It's not, I can see this lasting, and I'm just really loving this part about it. I keep like looking at it because even as I hold this in my hand, it's easy to hold on to, and that's going to be really important in the shower. So yeah, if you're looking for a back scrubber, I would definitely recommend this. I think this is going to do really well, and I love that I can hang it up after the end.